A very good morning to my dear children. Welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am your Vijithamas. I hope all of you are doing well at your home. My dear children, are you updating your portions on time? Yes, very good. Let me ask you some questions. My dear children, do you think it is right to lie even if it is a harmless lie? What's your opinion? Yes or no? Yes, you should not tell a lie. That is not a good habit. It will make us feel guilty in our mind. Am I right? Yeah. What will you do if you do a mistake? Will you apologize for it? Or will you repeat the same mistake? No, we won't repeat the mistake. At the time, what will you do? We will apologize for our mistake and promise that we won't do it again. That's a good habit. We can say that it is a kind of honesty. What is honesty? Honesty means doing right thing or telling what happened really. My dear children, you should be very honest. Never tell a lie and don't play trick on others. Okay? Be genuine always. Be honest. Be honest and genuine to your elders, family members and your friends. Okay? Yeah. And now we are moving to our next lesson. Lesson 5. What happened to the clock? I hope all of you have seen this clock. In everybody's home, we can see a clock. It is used to see the time. In your maths class, you have already studied to calculate time, right? Yeah. Now, let us watch the story. What happened to
What's
the clock?
happened to the clock? Julie and Robert were setting up their railway set,
Now let's put up the station.
said Julie.
Then we can put the engine and get it going,
Said Robert. Julie looked at the clock. She cried.
It's only 5 minutes to bedtime.
Robert frowned.
We always have to go to bed just in the middle of something. What's mother doing?
Asked Robert.
She's cleaning the cupboards.
Said Julie.
Why?
Robert went to the clock and turned the hands so that instead of 9:15, they said 8:15. Julie was shocked.
Mother isn't wearing her watch today.
Said Robert.
She'll look at this clock and think it's right.
Mother called soon.
It's nearing bedtime. What's the time?
8:30.
Robert called.
Really?
Asked Mother. She popped her head in.
Has it stopped?
No.
Said Robert, not looking at his mother. He and Julie felt ashamed. Mother went back. The children kept quiet. Tricking Mother was not a nice thing. Next morning, the clock seemed right again. When the 8 o'clock siren went in the town, the clock said 8 o'clock too. When they came home from school, they went to play.
It's almost time for bed.
The children were astonished. They looked at the clock.
It says 9:30.
Cried Julie.
It can't be. Shall I change it again?
Asked Robert.
No,
Said Julie at once.
I don't want to trick Mother again.
When they were sitting up in bed, Robert heard the church clock beginning to strike.
It only struck 9 times. It's 9 o'clock. We've come to bed an hour early.
Said Julie.
Mother?
Called Robert.
It's 9. We've missed an hour's play.
The playroom clock says 10 o'clock.
Said Mother.
You went by that yesterday, didn't you?
Julie burst into tears.
We are sorry.
It was very wrong.
Said Mother.
You have played a trick, haven't you?
Asked Robert.
Of course.
Said Mother, laughing.
The same trick that you played on me. Now, go to sleep.
Mother, I'm sorry.
Said Robert. Mother kissed him and Julie and smiled.
Perhaps you learnt a lesson.
In this lesson, we can see Robert and Julie. They are the main characters. They are children. And we can see their mother also. This Robert and Julie are playing with their train set at night. They are setting their train and track, and when it is time to move the train, their mother called. It is time to go to sleep. It is their sleeping time. So the children are very sad and they played a trick, or they tricked their mother by changing the hands of the clock, and they got 1 hour or 1 extra hour to play. So my dear children, what's your opinion? Is it good to trick their mother? No, it is a very bad habit. Don't trick your parents or elders. Okay. And after that, what is happening in this story? The children tricked their mother. After playing for 1 more hour, they went to sleep. But after tricking their mother, the children feel very bad at their mind. They are very sorry and ashamed. And the next day, it is time to go to their school. They are eating their breakfast. So the children are thinking, yes, they are looking at the clock. But the clock says the time 8 o'clock. At that time itself, the 8 o'clock siren in the city has rang. So they are thinking, what happened to the clock? Now it is moving in the right time. But they are afraid to ask about it to their mother. They are thinking that their mother doesn't know about it. Things happened gradually and they went to their school. After school they returned their home and they have studied, and now also it is their play time, and they took their train set and they began to play. But what happened? Mother said, children, it is time to go to bed. See the time in your playroom. When the children looked at the clock says it is 9:30. But they didn't actually play. The children are very sad and they went to their bed and they are sitting there and discussing what happened today. They didn't get any time to play. After some time, what happened? The church clock rang. But it is only 9. Now, the children understood that their clock was wrong. And they asked their mother, see, the church clock has rung only 9, but now the time is 10. We lost our time to play. At that time, mother said that, no, children, the time in your playroom is what? 9:30. So it is time to go to bed. Now the children understood their mistake. What? They understood that the mother had understood the trick played upon her. She also played the same trick upon the children. How? The children changed the time of the clock. How? Changing the hands back. But mother what did she do? She forward the hands of the clock. Thus, mother taught a lesson to the children. What was the lesson? Don't play trick on others and be honest always. The children also understood their mistake and they promised their mother that they won't repeat this mistake again. That is the story. So my dear children, I hope you understood the story and you enjoyed it. I will attach the animation video of this lesson in our Google Classroom. Please go through it and read the lesson. We will read and explain the meanings on the next day. Till then, take care. Thank you.